What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm here at Porsche Heaven. Figured I would just film a video for you guys because I haven't filmed a video or haven't posted in a little over 4 weeks. Obviously YouTube right now, as much as I would like it to be, is not my full-time source of income. So I do have a little update on the Porsche. I finally got the frame and everything done. I'm here at Porsche Parts Global. If you guys ever need anything, any kind of Porsche part from, I would say 996 and below. None of the newer stuff because he doesn't really mess with that, but any of the older stuff, this guy's got anything that you can think of. All these are, those are all turbos. A lot of the 944, the NAs in the back. He was talking to me about this 968 right here. Let me see if I can, oh, that's water. Take you on an adventure. He's saying 8 grand for this thing. Now I really don't know what the values are on this. He says it's running. It's in pretty good shape. Let me see the door. But it's sad to see all these poor Porsches. I mean, I thought I neglected mine, but I get it. He's selling them. He said I could check this out. Oh, he said he drove this thing. Oh, those are hanging down. But he said he drove this thing all the way from New York. What's this? Kenwood? Is that a sub in here somewhere? Man. I mean, she's not in the best of shape, but what is this? Probably a 90, 93. Has no ignition whatsoever. It's probably just dead as shit. Except the airbag. Most Porsches don't have that. I wonder if the AC works. Probably anything's better than that Beamer I got. This one's not bad. I like these because it's not just after the pop-ups, which not that I don't like the pop-ups, but it doesn't have those frog eyes of the 928. They just kind of sit nice, and he's got, let's see, it's got half new, half old taillights. I think these are the ones they use on the S4s for some of the older 928s. So we got a couple of turbos. I don't know if I can get in this without getting wet. There's one over there that's sick. That's like a, no, that's not good. It's like a race car. Look at that boost gauge. I don't know if I'm sitting in this one. Some of these just seem like they're getting some water in it. It's crazy. Just all these poor Porsches. Here's another 6.8. So you can sit in this one. Ooh. Yeah, this one's definitely getting some water in it. That's the only thing I'd worry about with some of these. It's all stiff. Oh, unless this is a, what is it, a dog leg? Doesn't want to go into second. Huh. Cool, cool, cool. Go through the jungle. Well, apparently he's selling some. Maybe we'll be back here. Where'd you get the panels?
That's all original from his race car.
That's sick. That's
one of his race cars.
Yeah. That thing's cool. Cafe Racer.
65 BSA. 250 single. Haven't been on it in 10 years.
Why not?
No, I don't feel like it anymore.
Yeah. Too hot. That's cool. Roll car cover over the top. You can put it back on easy. Let's see if I can tell where the I just popped it off. Hang on. said it was on the side.
I give you a hint, it's one of the two sides.
I mean, I would say this side. It's 50-50, I guess. I'm gonna say final answer, passenger side.
Well, it's hidden behind the door.
Yeah, I was thinking back here on this side.
Not a body guy, but
it wasn't much. It only cost $1,000 to fix. We didn't change any parts. He pulled it all off.
jeez.
We didn't have to change anything.
Badge right in the middle. That's the plaque. Here, let me get a light. Number 12, 75, 1700, 12. That's so cool. As far as an update for the Porsche, I'm here to get a headlight bracket, which is supposed to be the last part. Like I said, they fixed, I guess they buttoned up the frame, so the subframe's done. And I was talking to the guy. It's really pissed me off because he was showing me all these cars. He's like, yeah, this one was in a wreck. This is a Millennium Edition Porsche, which you got to look at, which was just awesome. I think it's like 12, I think he says number 1275 out of 1700. I feel like I made 1750 of them, something like that. But super, super cool. And that one was in an accident. Like, you can't even tell. And he asked me to go around the car and see if I could tell. And I said passenger side, it was like the rear quarter. But he told me that his guy that he knows can do framework really well, and he could get it done in a month. He would have been able to fix my Porsche immediately, and I wouldn't have had to wait a year and a half. Maybe I'd have 3 or 4 more projects by now. So I don't know if that was a blessing or a curse, but basically get the part. Hopefully this can fix it, but that does open up a door for the S2000, which this guy's really good at, and he can work on Porsches. I'm sure that he could fix the Honda, so I just wanted to update on that. Update on the Porsche, obviously. It's gonna be more of a shorter upload. I'm gonna show you guys a few more things, and we'll be out of here. This one I really like. The psychedelic wrap. I'm sure it's a wrap. It's gotta be. Actually, that might be paint. But look, except for the water in it. Racing seats, all the gauges are just in a custom-made dash. It's like a SCCA car. Something I definitely couldn't daily drive, but it'd be cool to have as a little race car. That's like what I would want to turn mine into. It's just not worth the money.
Oh, these are sick, the wheels. 305s. Look at that. 305s. My car's got 275.
Well, that's gonna do it for this video. It's gonna be short, obviously. I just wanted to update you guys because I haven't posted in a while. This is something I can edit pretty fast. I'm still trying to balance everything with trying to get a little bit better at editing, or hire someone to actually take that over, maybe hire someone to film so I can just focus on content and everything else is kind of taken care of. But I have a lot of content planned. I'm doing a video with the Hellcat, and then I just talked to him about getting the S2000 done, so that upload is going to be up shortly. So don't forget to like the video in the meantime. I guess that's YouTube's new algorithm, is likes and shares really help you out. So feel free to like the video, really helps me out, makes me want to produce more content. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys next time.